Hi, house fans, I'm back. I know you guys missed me ever so much. You guys asked for it, Wii Bowling, part 2 in real life. I got obstacles set up. We're at AMF Rockland today. Let's see how bad I am at real life Wii Bowling. Level 1 is supposed to be the easiest level, and I already am like, this isn't that easy because I have to throw it up 5. Throw my plastic ball. Oh my God, it hooked so much. This is supposed to be the easy level. I got 6. Fail for level 1 here. Slide it over. All right, hot start, guys. Wii Bowling in real life, 6-1. I am super sharp. Level not passed. All right, level 2. Surely I'll do better this time. Can I pick this up from? Huh, I don't think so. It's better than 6. I have to kind of change how I shoot this because of that big box down lane. I'm just winging it, guys. I don't know. Oh, aced. Bang! All right, let's set up the next ones. Perfect. You know, the first one was hard, but I wanted to make this one harder. It's harder, way harder. That just doesn't look right at all. I made a post and I asked all the fans who didn't see it to draw obstacles and send them to me. And you guys sent some ridiculous ones. You guys tell me to throw it to pretty much the masking units in the air. I am not Oscar Palermo. You know, the key to this is if you just imagine that these boxes aren't there, it's like a routine strike from, I don't know, like 15. But the fact that the boxes are there really makes it kind of psych you out. That's right. Turn me up. Level 3, cleared. Nice shot. You know, whatever they say on Wii. And now this one. This one is not set up for a left-hander, literally at all. I would either have to throw this dead up 20 and just hit the head pin. Well, what's the fun in that, guys? We're backup balling it. This doesn't look right at all either. Oh, that's pretty close. It's like I've been practicing all year for that. Oh, I just shredded my middle finger doing that. Worth it. Content. Clear it. Nice shot again. Let's go. Oh, I did not think I was going to be able to do that at all. Don't mind me, guys. You just gotta. Again, this is the worst part of this video. Level 5. We're on a hot streak. I've gotten the last 2, I think. Is that what it is? Oh my goodness. Because I always stay in front of the ball return. I have no clue. This just looks so weird. I'll take it, I'll take it. I don't think I can shoot this. There's 2 ways to go about this 7-pin. Move way right and like lay it down on 39, which I can't do. Or loft it, which I can do. Even this doesn't look right either. I don't trust that. Smoke and mirrors, is that what they say? You know, I don't even know what that saying means. It's something about like being lucky or not knowing what you're doing or something. I don't know. Next, that's a clear in my book. I don't have to strike every time, guys, okay? This one shouldn't be as hard as it looked. I don't know about that either. All right. Well, this is the tricky part. I have to back up ball it, I guess. Uh-oh. Mechanic, wow. So like, how you guys been? How are things? I moved to California, if you didn't know. I don't even live in Missouri anymore. Cool, you guys like hanging out and stuff, and we're waiting on the 4-pin. It's like he's icing me, you know? I totally was gonna get this first try. Oh boy. Oh, that's money. Hook a little bit. I was worried the whole time. I didn't think it was gonna do it. That's like 4 in a row. I am Wii Bowling. Next, what are we at now? All right, these ones are getting out of hand. I didn't have paper in my house, but I had this. So I redrew all the drawings that everyone sent me and made my own diagram. We just have the state-of-the-art stuff around here, you know, at house bowling. Like I said, these are getting a little out of hand. I just looked at the scouting report from head mechanic Jacob Mills over here. Jacob, does the gutter hook? Because I need to throw it at the gutter on 35. He said basically perfect. Here comes the super steep angles, slow hook of doom. This is really steep. That's pretty close. Jacob, now you said the gutter hooked and he just lied to me. Just set me up for failure, dude. I actually thought that was pretty close. I had the right angle through the front part of the lane, just threw it a little too hard, didn't slow down quick enough. Do I know where I stood last time? Heck no. Yeah, sure, this works. All right, throw it slower so it hooks off it. Oh, I threw it slower. I didn't hit any boxes. I'll take the effort. I can't clear them all, guys. I thought the first one was gonna do it. All right, this one I just have to throw straight down the middle and hope I strike. But I'm gonna hit it a little bit at the bottom here, so that way it tries to like get the 7 out or something. I don't know. It's pretty close. I'll take 9. I'll take 9. How am I supposed to pick? I know how I'm supposed to pick this up, guys. Apparently, I'm coming back for the 2024 tour season, the backup baller. The Millie Rock, as he says, which is amazing. Just Millie Rock my way to victory. Oh, that's got a hook. See you later, box. It counts, right? It doesn't count. In Wii bowling, it would have flown off that backwards, so it doesn't count. Dang it. That one was hard. Was that 7 and 8? And those aren't even the hardest ones. It's okay, we'll bounce back. We're gonna bounce back, guys. All right, here's the one that everyone wants to see me throw a million feet down the lane. Can't wait. Every time I set these up, I just slowly get more defeated as I walk back to look at them. This is what everyone wanted. Everyone wanted to see me throw it a million feet down the lane. This isn't a million feet, but it's somewhat down the lane. Hey, I need the 710 set up on both of them. I will say, guys, this is a fun video to shoot, but it's not easy. Got this, I can do this. I believe in myself. This isn't even that hard. It's more of a mental thing. They just look harder than they are. You guys throw some boxes on your, just kidding, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't be throwing boxes on the lanes and stuff. Don't make your proprietors mad at you. I think it's gonna be easier on this one to get the 10 pin because I can just kind of hook it into it. The 7 pin is gonna be a little trickier. Hook a little. Oh. All right, all right, all right. This one's kind of funny. I gotta be like way over here and loft it and throw it straight. No chance, not even close. That would have struck 10 back for sure. That one was weird. I don't know. I can't get in front of the ball return, throw it straight at a 7 pin. Set up for failure. I'm doing a bonus try right here just because it took me a while to set up those boxes and I deserve it. If I pick the 7 pin clean off this, it counts, okay? Do we all agree? We all agree, cool. Well, I would have picked that one up, but I didn't pick it clear off the rack. That one's weird, that one sucked, that was hard. All right, the grand finale, which is much harder in this one. I don't even know let me look at my cheat sheet, everybody. Well drawn out cheat sheet. Down to the dimensions, down to the centimeters, so I know. Is it weird to think I'm just putting cardboard boxes on a bowling lane for YouTube because I bowl for a living? It's pretty weird, I think. All right, I'm ready, I'm prepared. Mentally focused, mentally dialed. I think everyone wants to see me throw it dead up the gutters and just pick them off one at a time. That's like the idea of this obstacle. But the artist, the painter of the picture, I can do whatever I want. And I think I can slow wheel it off the gutter into the 10 pin and then throw it dead straight up. You know what? I'll give the people what they want. I'll try to throw it dead up the lane. I drift so much and, oh man. Guys, don't judge me. Oh my gosh, I'm the best. I thoroughly just surprised myself. I did not think I could do that. All right, can I clear the last stage? Doing it the way the fans want to see it, dead up the lane. I really think I could give them the slow wheel, but where do I stand? All right, this might go directly in the gutter. I think I barely clipped I think the boxes wouldn't have, I don't know, guys. That's Wii bowling in real life. Wii bowling, part 2, real life. If you guys want to see a part 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, draw them out, send them to me on my Instagram, wherever you want to send them. And we'll see you guys next time. See ya.